Give me the password.
And then what? You kill me? That wasn't the plan. I did what you asked!
For now, you're just an obstacle, dear. I need that password. Without it, your back door is useless. You know it as well as I do. Stop making it worse, Fran. Give me what I want, and I'll forget all about your little blackmail. Or else.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'll tell you.
I'm listening.
The password is Shelbris.
Yes, I've gained access. I've taken care of the problem. Permanently. We can start the second phase. Shalbres.
7 o'clock sharp. Every morning starts the same. The smell of burnt toast. Is there any way to make it a little better, just for once? I could sleep more, eat something that doesn't taste like coal, but Nozzle tries his best. This city is so boring. Or is it my life? Toast, work, games, and Nozzle. 4 constants in my life. Yet another day at Epsilon. Yet another data sheet to fulfill.
Get up, Pirix. Time to work. If you don't work, you don't eat. And breakfast is ready.
Ugh, an annoying 10 is my best friend. I'm not gonna get you to give me 5 more minutes, am I?
Not a chance. To the kitchen. Now.
Will you ever learn to make a decent breakfast? One that doesn't make me sick?
Add some memory chips, better operating modules, and you will have yourself a proper chef.
I can always sell your memory chip and order a takeout, Nozzle. Remember that.
You can't. Who's going to make a copy of your mind, my friend? I am indispensable to you. The law says so.
Yep, I'm doomed to eat burnt toast. I took a glimpse at the morning news. They often play in the background, but I wasn't especially interested in what is going on in the world, or even in my city.
Yesterday evening, there was a rocket attack on the neighboring city, Haltor. The intruders were not able to penetrate the energetic barrier of the city. Split system stays untouched. Some sources say there is a connection between the terrorists from the New Hand and Diveza. Their authorities deny any connection. The geopolitical situation in our region is becoming increasingly tense.
Oh man, such attacks are normal.
It's been happening more and more recently. And Haltor isn't that far from West Ulrich, Pirix. Split is impossible to destroy. And yet some people still try to break it. Why? Who is behind this?
Well, Nozzle, that's not our concern. We're in for another day of messing with reports.
How about a race?
The winner's choosing tonight's movie?
As always, Pirix, you will lose. You'll lose.
Yeah, you're probably right. You always win. Huh, at least I won't give up without a fight, Tin.
The soul of a warrior. That's what I value in you, my friend.
He won, as he always does. What a surprise, Nozzle.
Aha! You're in for a night of last century's comedies. I have a few propositions. We can start from a series that lasts 10 seasons.
You have no mercy. As I know you, they're black and white.
See? Now you're motivated to try harder next time. Real success is forged with pain.
Yeah, grateful for your help, my friend.
We see each other every day. Memory problems? Maybe a lack of vitamins. You protein guys need them.
Hey, Nozzle, shut up. We have trouble. As it turns out, messing with the security wasn't the best idea. A thorough search has never been pleasant, and now they didn't even bother to be gentle.
Hey, I didn't know.
Listen, shut up already. They're really going to wipe your drive.
Hey, you! You're coming with me.
Me?
Can you see anyone else? I think not. I'll explain everything on the way. Let's get moving on. Get your ass to the capsule! I told you we don't have much time.
But it's...
Split. Yes. A for awareness. Get in. Focus! The existence of the city depends on your success, Technician. Your failure will destroy Split.
Wait a minute. What do you want from me?
I'm explaining, just focus! I won't repeat myself. Damn, I thought there was more time. For now, get into the system and bypass the first line of defense. I'm patching you in. Hey, what you feel now is your new body. Fully digital, so there's no chance of pain or fatigue.
This is what Split is like?
I don't know what you expected, but it's just a working environment. It's meant to be efficient, not glamorous.
What about me? I haven't changed at all. I'm still flying. I couldn't...
Get a new digital body? Sorry, Tin Toy, I don't have time for playing dress up. Be grateful you even have a shape. You should focus on the job. Time flows faster here than in the real world. That's why we have a chance. You need to get to the first terminal. There are many trials on the way. You'll see. Good luck.
Because? Look, we don't know what's going on here.
You both work for Epsilon Energy. I'm the executive director of security. You're gonna do what I say, alright?
Yeah, we will, Nozzle.
Well, here I am. You know my implants allow me to communicate with you in real time. Yeah, it's a brain turbo.
Is that safe?
Not at all. We're not thinking about the consequences for now, okay? No need to get down on yourself. Have you learned how to make copies yet?
Oh, is that okay? Will there be any more of me?
Tin Man, sit tight. In your hands, you are holding a copy generator. Among other things, you can create your copies. Try playing around with it a bit.
Nozzle, what's going on?
You know, according to our agent, the fate of West Ulrich depends on us. Can you imagine that? She may be exaggerating, but it's a big responsibility.
You know that Shalbris is impenetrable. You've seen it in the news. The barrier cannot be destroyed from the outside.
You never listen to me, do you? I thought I'd made myself clear. Not from the outside, no. There's a threat from the inside, and we, or rather you, because I'm only helping, need to deal with it.
I haven't prepared for this.
Really? And what about all those gaming sessions, where I beat your ass time after time? Take that into account, would you? It was a pretty good exercise.
One of these days you'll be in for it, I tell you.
Hey guys, you're doing great.
You know, I feel like I do everything myself. The Protein Man is just a decoration.
Are you that smart? This whole clone system's not as easy to master as it seems.
It's good. It really is. It's going to get harder from now on. I warn you.
What, that was supposed to be easy? Now it's going to be harder?
Look, this is Split, not some game. You can do it. I know you can do it. I know what I saw.
Anything in particular we should watch out for? Lasers, traps, killer robots, maybe rolling bullets?
A little bit of everything. I'll get back to you, I promise, when you're done with this sector. This plugin allows you to control the time. When you get stuck somewhere, you can go back in time. Of course, Split's operational memory is not unlimited. You have a pointer on the interface that shows how much you can go back.
It's almost like a superpower.
You can copy all the actions you have undone into your clone, and it will perform all the actions for you.
It seems complicated.
just installed a pulse cannon.
Pulse? Cannon?
Yes, it allows you to activate previously inaccessible switches and fight some guards.
Oh, if that mine attacks me again, I'll have something to defend myself with.
Just be careful with them. You have to get really close to them for the cannon to work.
nozzle. Whatever.
Oh no, you won't give away that easily. Any recipes? An idea? Nope, we've run out of artificial meat, and we're not likely to pop out to the store. How about toast?
Fine. What do you know?
might be an indiscreet question, but when was the last time you did a backup on your consciousness?
Nozzle, you know exactly when. You've got this on internal memory. That's your main job.
I know, but asking about that is more polite.
2 weeks ago.
We're now in rather a dangerous situation, my friend. If anything was...
See, that wasn't so hard, was it? Admit it. Did you have some fun?
Yeah, great.
Possibly. For now, I had to be sure of my suspicions.
Now I know we have a security hole. You need to patch it.
Why not fix it yourself, then?
Me? I wish I could, Tintoy. Someone install protection that would recognize my presence and fry my brain. I have enemies in Epsilon.
Do you want me to go there again? Okay, but explain to me what this is about. Honestly, you promised, and now we have time.
Good question, Perks. Good question. How much history do you remember?
The history?
The times before Shalbris. From before the Shield. The last war.